Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Do you know anybody who's like that? Who's always complain. I don't like this. I don't like that. I don't like this. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English. And today's expression is nitpicker or nitpicking. A person who constantly nitpicks, who constantly complains about even little tiny things. You know, you go to a restaurant and this is the person who's complaining that the water is not cold enough, or that maybe there's too much salt, or the potatoes are wrong, or the meat is not cooked enough, or it's always something. You know, when you go with this person to a restaurant or to a movie, you just know that they're going to complain and complain. They're going to nitpick and nitpick and nitpick. Are you a nitpicker? I hope not. Nitpicking is very, very annoying. So, don't be a nitpicker. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. As always, please, if you haven't already subscribed, do so. Click that button down in the corner. And please, share this with your friends. Help give everybody the opportunity to improve their English. If you have any questions or concerns, or if you'd like to hear about different expressions, or if you have one in your mind that you'd like to know about, just let me know. And guys, as always, have a fantastic day.